Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I, on behalf of my Chinese brother and sisters, I represent I have a freedom of speech. That's why I'm representing them. I see these days the heart-wrenching videos all over into the social medias, how C.C.P. treating to their own citizen. So sad. People see the suicide jumping from the high-rise buildings, not like few, so many of them suicide, and they are locking the house door from outside, the local authority. Are they human being or an animal? Or they treat it like a zoo? Shame on C.C.P. I am Tibetan. I feel sorry for my Chinese brother and sisters. We all are human beings. I have that pain. Stop brainwashing them. We can see all the videos. You can hide no more now. It is 21st century. We have seen reporters like BBC reporters. We have seen eyewitness brutally beaten. You can't do that, C.C.P. It's so sad. Shame on C.C.P. That's why I came out to use my rights, freedom of speech. That is the universal declaration of human right. They treat like a slave. So sad. My Chinese brothers and sisters, I feel sorry for you. I don't blame you. Shame on C.C.P. We see everything. You can't hide them. Have you ever heard of lifetime dictatorship and COVID-0 policy? Yes, you have heard that right. C.C.P. is the only in the world that can do anything. That is stupid. That is not only mishandling, but unhuman act in the name of zero COVID policy. Zero COVID policy is not working economically and politically. I see all this, oh my God. Poor women are being brutally beaten and detained by the local authority unnecessarily. C.C.P. needs to be justified. Act like a human. Be treated like a human being. You guys are deserve more than that. Your economy is not just to spend in billions of dollars on home national security and a weapon. C.C.P. Act like a human. You can't brainwash people no more. And my brother and sister, fight for your right. Yes, it is 21st century. You deserve the basic human right. That is democracy, press free, free of speech, votes and rights, freedom of assembly, freedom of religion, freedom of network, and so on. These are the basic universal declaration of human rights. Fortunately, democratic society can ask for more high quality vaccine among the elderly, increasing healthcare capacity, particularly ICU, and more hospital beds, because every country that's gone through reopening. And C.C.P. should be able to do that. Instead, C.C.P. healthcare system is simply collapsed. Hospitals have only 4 beds for every 1,000 people. That sucks. Come on, C.C.P. Shame on you. It is a shame. The most powerful economy? Shame on you. Chinese citizens are not slaves for C.C.P. It is time to rise. So my dear brothers and sisters, you guys deserve more than that. All the countries are monitoring. We are with you. You see, now in Sydney, London, Hong Kong, and so on are protesting for your basic human right. And many more are coming out. We are with you. Don't give up. Don't give up. Last but not least, you are not a slave of C.C.P. You are a human being just like us. The world is watching. And we are fed up of C.C.P. And we are with you, my dear brother and Chinese sisters. Shame on C.C.P. Rise up for your right. Free Tibet, free Hong Kong, free Taiwan, free Uyghur, free Xinjiang. Thank you.
Have also voiced their support for protesters in China, calling for an end to the country's zero COVID policy.
我们今天在这里声援的是中国人民，声援的是想要追求自由的人民。这一点，不管是在疫情之下的人们，或者是在东突厥斯坦的人们，在新疆的人们，甚至在香港的人们，我们都是一样的。我们保护的、追求的是一种制度，我们在做的是制度之争，是民主和集权制度的分野。如果今天我们不站出来，其实下一次也许就是我们了。
At the beginning of Tuesday's press conference, organizers held up blank sheets of white paper, a symbol of defiance that has been used at recent protests in China. 3 legislators from Taiwan's ruling Democratic Progressive Party spoke at the event. They were joined by Wang Dan, a participant in the 1989 Tiananmen Square pro-democracy protests in Beijing.
of anger and frustration at the zero COVID policy in recent days across China.
近期中国国内出现了对
Thinking about
清
ending
零
it,
政
and
策
if
的
so, when?
不满，你对此有何回应？
请你重复一下你的问题。
Could you repeat the question, please?
A question from Reuters. Given the widespread
近
display
期中
of
国国内
frustration with the zero
表现
COVID
出了
policy,
对
is
清零
China
政策的不满
considering，
中方是
ending
否考虑
it soon, and if so,
在
when?
很快的时期内结束这个政策？如果是的话，什么时候会结束？
你谈到的有关情况与事实不符，中方一贯根据动态清零的总方针，
Widespread display of anger and frustration.
高同志，来，公子们，辛苦